Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are seeing this video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Samuel. This is POP installation design creative. So as you can see, we have created a unique and a lovely design here, which we are going to use later. As you can see the shape clean. You can see. So with this, you can see how the round is. Very perfect pushing. Very perfect pushing. Very perfect pushing. So we're going to fix it any moment from now, and we'll update you as long as we proceed and as long as we have done with it. So this is it. See how the round is. It's not that full. This is mini cycle. This is mini cycle. So let me take you to where the mold is. This is where we push it. This is where we push it. This is one of the mold that we have pushed. This is one of the mold, and this is another one. This is another one. This one is the Caliph. We call this one Caliph because this is the one we push to use before. This is the one we push, then we created this one from it. So as you can see, this is it. This is it. So we still have another one opposite of this one outside. So let me take you there. So this is it. This is it. So this is the opposite of the other one, the one you saw earlier. This is the opposite of this. So for your project, for your POP installation, plasterboard installation, suspended ceiling, gypsum ceiling, painting, screeding, trolling, plastering, window design, artwork. We also do aluminum glass window, just like this one. This is the net that we just brought to the site. So you can reach out to us. We also build and renovate. Reach out to us or WhatsApp us on 081 03 84 5068. Please subscribe, like, comment and share to the whole world. Let the whole world see. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.